Hi everyone, welcome to Solutions. Today we are going to check out one method clear which empties the list. So it doesn't delete the list, but it empties the list. There's difference. So in this video, we'll see how to clear the list, and in the next video, we'll see how to delete the list. So let's declare a list, the list, and it's equal to, we need square brackets to declare a list, and enter. And then we will print the list. So as we can see, we have 4 elements in the list. Next, we will use the clear method. So it is written as the list dot clear. We do not have to provide any parameters and bracket. Now we are again going to use the same function to print the list. There it is. So as we can see, after using this method clear, we were able to clear the list, like empty the list completely. So the list still remains but has no content. So hope you like this. Please share your suggestions and subscribe. Thank you.